Good evening, friends. I hope you all are doing well in your life. The topic for today's discussion is Vande Bharat mission. Now, you all will be surprised to know that this is the second biggest evacuation mission. Since in 1990, there was a mission named called Airlift. That was the mission in which we airlift almost 11 lakh Indian from Gulf countries and other countries too. So, let's start the discussion. The Vande Bharat mission. So in this we are going to evacuate 1,90,000 Indians from other respective countries. So if I talk about the country name, there are almost 12 countries from where we have to airlift the Indians. So as I told you that there are almost 1,90,000 Indian from where we have to airlift the people. So for that purpose we have 64 flights for this operation, and in the first week our main aim is to almost 14,000 Indians to rescue from other countries. So if I talk about the number of rounds or number of flights are who are going to go there in the respective countries are as follow. In UAE there are going to be 10 flights. In Qatar there are going to be uh, this for 2 flights. Then we have this UK 7 flight, Malaysia 7 flights, and etc. So all these Indians are means given instruction that they have to keep a touch with the Indian embassy so that they can make a list of the Indian people, so that they can make a list, and whosoever is in emergency or other cases are there, so that they will get the priority order. There is a proper priority order is being set so that they can rescue the person who is in very much in need. So not only this thing is there that people are also going to the person who is going to rescue all these Indian from other country, they are going to get this PP set. This PP set is for to fight against this COVID-19. It is a complete set that person is not going to get infected. Means you must have seen in the TV or in the newspaper, means the doctors are wearing those big giant cover, means that suit, that is termed as PPE. So not only this Air India flight, there are other flights also who are going to take place to make this mission possible. So we are also going to take help of our Indian Air Force. Uh, means Indian Air Force is also kept on standby, because if we talk about the capacity of this normal flights, that is almost, you can say that almost 300 to 400 people once a while. Once in a one round they can carry 300 to 400 people. But if I talk about the Indian Air Force craft, that is almost you can say that 2000 to 3000 people they can easily carry. So it is also cost effective and fuel effective also, you can say that. That's why we are going to take help of Indian Air Force also. So if I talk about the name of that aeroplane, that is Super Hercules. It is if you Google it, you can also find the image of that aircraft. That is quite giant also. That is quite giant also. So then next we have this two-way traffic. Now the student must also know that what is this two-way traffic is. Basically this two-way traffic is suppose if a Canadian is being stuck here in India, and he also wants to go to this Canada, then he can apply for that flight, so that they can take that flight, means they can go in that flight only. And the one thing, the most important thing, that flight is not going to be free of cost. That is going to be paid only. So now the another thing, that is priority. Priority means who is going to get the priority. First one is this emergency cases. Whosoever is there in emergency, then that person is going to get that priority order. Then the second priority will be given to the pregnant ladies. Then we have students. So all these people, emergency, pregnant lady, and student, all these people have to pay for these flights. It is going to be not free of cost. So this is the most important thing, that the students, means all the person who are listening to me in those countries also, they can also keep in mind that it is not going to be free of cost. Then we have this medical precaution. proper medical precaution is being taken care, so that not a single COVID-19 positive student or any person will enter in that flight. Then proper guideline is being made for all the people who are going to come from other country, that they have to download this Arogya Setu app. Then they are all these people, they are going to be quarantined in a quarantine center, and that quarantine center also will also be paid only, that is not going to be free of cost. So earlier it was said that all these people who are coming from other country, they are going to stay there in their respective state, but now the government has said that if a person is coming from Canada and he is landing here in Delhi, then whatever the arrangement is being done by Delhi government, that they have to keep all these, make a proper quarantine center, and they will be paid for this also. So now your question must be coming in your mind, that why they are paying, means why we have to pay for it, we are Indians, this facility should be given to us only. But this is not there, that we also have to keep in mind that our economy is also falling down. So that's why this free of cost is not option is there. So the ticket cost, the student must also know that what is going to be the cost of the this ticket, that is 1 lakh. If a person is coming from UK, then the person have to pay 1 lakh rupees, and if a person is coming from these Gulf countries, almost 15,000 to 14,000 they have to pay for it. Now the other ways through which we are rescuing all the Indians, that is waterway also, and the Indian Navy had named that operation name called Operation Samudra Setu, through which we are going to rescue the Indians. There we have this INS Magar Jal Swar. These two INS are going to rescue all the Indians who are being stuck there in this, like suppose if you talk about a country like Maldives, they are going to rescue the Indians. Now you also must have seen the movie Airlift, means you can relate the things, means you can imagine the things with that movie, that how these people are going to be evacuated, how what kind of difficulties and what kind of problem they have to face while airlifting or evacuating all the evacuation process. So if I talk about the Kuwait, means in 1990, this we almost evacuated 11 lakh Indians from other Gulf countries, and almost 488 flights were there who take part in this evacuation process, and it almost take 59 days to airlift all these Indians. So this was all about today's discussion, Vande Bharat mission. So if you have any doubt or any queries, you can write down in the comment section, and I will try to sort it down. And this was all about today's session. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.